Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, Cook with Katrina, My Plant Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you a really super easy recipe. It's simple seitan, which is basically my version of vegan chicken. So let's get started. So I just wanted to tell you a bit about this recipe. I did say at the beginning it was a simple vegan chicken recipe, but it can be any meat that you wish. Really, it depends how you prepare it. So you could grill this, you could saute it, steam it, put barbecue sauce on it, make your own sweet chili sauce, stick it in a stir fry. It's so versatile. So this is just a simple all-rounder that you can make into whatever way you want. In the future, we'll do some amazing different types of seitan recipes just to get our mouths watering. The ingredients and equipment that you're going to need in today's recipe: plain flour. The main ingredient for this to all work is actually vital wheat gluten flour. And then for flavouring, I'm going to add smoked paprika. You can just add normal paprika if you like, but I think the smoked paprika is quite nice and gives it a little bit of a smoky edge, obviously, and a bit chilly. Onion powder, garlic powder, so just adds a punch. Salt, vegetable stock, olive oil, and one important one is nutritional yeast, which has a little bit of a cheesy flavour. We've reached the preparation stage, and there's two parts to this preparation stage. What we want to do is sieve our dry ingredients first, mix it up in the bowl, and then add our wet ingredients, which is our vegetable broth and the olive oil. So let's get started. Stir your dry ingredients before adding your wet ingredients. Vegetable broth. Stir all your ingredients and you'll start to see that it comes together as a very wet dough. It's exactly how it should look. Once we've kneaded our dough for 1 minute, what you want to do is roll out your dough to sort of a long sausage shape, and then we want to cut it into 5 to 6 pieces, all about the same size, and then we're going to press them down into almost like little chicken breast shapes. We're getting close to the steaming stage now, so to prepare the seitan for how you're going to cook it, you need to steam the pastry first. How we're going to do that is we need to wrap each, let's call them vegan chicken breasts, so we're going to wrap each vegan chicken breast in foil of this size. So what I did was I just cut one piece of foil into two. One of the good things about these, you can freeze them. You can pre-cook them ahead of time, keep them in the fridge for a couple of days and cook them. We're now at the cooking stage, the steaming stage. So I've got my 5 parcels here of my seitan uncooked. Got my Instant Pot. To use the steamer on the Instant Pot, what you'll need is your steam rack and your steam basket. And then we're going to pop the seitan into the steam basket. Now we want to start to steam our seitan, so I'll just pop the lid on. We're going to set our steamer on, so press steam, and then we want to steam our seitan for 20 minutes. Make sure that your valve is up, so I'll just check. That's the valve down, and then click it and the valve goes up. Once the 20 minutes is up, we want to let it rest for 10 minutes and then release the remaining pressure before opening up the lid. Our seitan should be ready now. As you can see, I've got my best friend here, Tiki. Guys, thank you so much for watching my recipe today. It's been a pleasure as always. Don't forget, this recipe is versatile, so this is just your basic seitan recipe, and then we can mix it up. In the future we can do stir fries with it, we can make like a Philly steak sandwich with it. It's just so versatile, there's so many recipes that we can do. So let me know in the comments down below which one you want to see first and I can work on that for you.